Hello, my beautiful people. Now, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. According to the time when until they watch my video, how now day, my beautiful people, how daddy, mommy, sister, auntie, uncle, our beautiful kids, them, how now day now. For those who don't know me, now maybe you Kumbo. I say me, I still appreciate you now for the support one they give me. As soon as they watch my videos, as soon as they subscribe, they share my videos, for now beautiful comments. You guys are so amazing. I love you all. Thank you for your support. My fellow YouTubers where they support me. You guys are so amazing. God bless you all. And the one will not be YouTubers too, where they come they still dey support me, where come they watch me, where come they watch me always. If I upload, they don't come. I appreciate you all. I don't know as I'll tell una say thank you. Without una, all of una, and for not reach this place when I don't reach so. I be nobody, I be small YouTuber. I appreciate you all. Thank you very much. I will never take you guys for granted. You guys are so amazing. For those who never still subscribe to Osasokunbo channel, what are you waiting for, guys? Support una sister, support me. Support me, guys. Wanna subscribe, wanna watch my videos, they share am out. Subscribe. God bless you guys. I know say na go do am. I appreciate you all. Thank you. For my fellow YouTubers wey just still dey share me. Oh, I don't know as I'll take thank una sha. All of una na do well. God bless you all. One love, my people. Thank you guys for your beautiful comment, for watching my videos, for subscribing to my channel, for sharing out my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you for stopping by. One love, my people. See you guys in my next video. One love. Bye.